Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a fun haul. I have a Michael's haul, so it has some clearance stuff and some Christmas stuff I was able to snag up. So let's go ahead and check this out. So the first thing I'm going to show is some of the Halloween stuff that I was able to get on clearance. So I did get some felt because I do love the colors of the felt. And yeah, so I have some more for my stash for next Halloween. But I'm always crafting Halloween, so it's all year round. So I got me some felt. I also bought some foam sheets. So it comes with the orange, purple, and pink. So that I have that. So I got this one. I only got one of those because I've hauled one before, so I just got one of those this time around. Another thing I hauled was these plates. Look at that. Talk about cute and creepy. Love it. Look at that. So I got some heart shaped plates I'm going to be using for crafting and stuff like that to make it look like a pocket. I'll make something out of it. But I got those ones. Another plate I was able to grab are the skull with the bow. I love this one. This one's my favorite. And I'm a big Monster High. I got a lot of Monster High dolls. So I love this plate. So I got this one also. And I plan to use it the same for that. This is for crafting, not for eating, of course. Another thing I hauled was this bat cookie cutter. Now I didn't get this for actual cookies. I got this for clay cutting. Yeah. And what you do is you roll out your clay. You'll cut it the shape of this, and then you push the impression. So I got that for my clay cutting. Another thing I hauled were these coffin napkins. I couldn't resist because look at the foiling that they have on there, the little foiling stars. So what I've been doing with these is I've been laminating these so I can make tags or albums and stuff like that. So I got another one for my stash. Actually, let me show you. I have some here. Of course, I had to get the cream glue so I could fill up my little empty charms that I want to make them into charms. So I got that to fill those up. And this is the same thing as doing decadent. So it's like the same stuff that they use to decorate phone cases and top of lids and the Stanley cups and whatnot. The same thing, the cream glue. Or this one's called whip paint, but it's the same thing. Same idea. And then I also snagged up some more glitter and embellishments. So I got 2 more pink because I love the pink. They were out of the purple, so good thing I was able to get some before. So this were actually these ones were 70% off for those. So yeah, so I got that. Now let me show you what I got for the Christmas. Let me show you the first thing I got. My bathroom, I was able to get a pink Christmas nutcracker shower curtain for my bathroom. So it's a nutcracker with Christmas trees from, I want to say, who is a person? I don't remember who. It was it's a lady's brand. I don't remember. What is her name? I don't remember. I'll put it in the comments below. But I was able to get, it's a nutcracker theme, pastel theme shower curtain. So for my bathroom, I'm going to do basically the pink color. So I got this one to go to the bathroom, which is were you naughty or nice? So I saw this, I had to have it. It matched. I do love the nutcracker theme that they do have at Michael's, but I believe they're only at 40%. But yeah, that is a beautiful theme. So I got that one. Actually, it was Betsy Johnson. I love her, like the shower curtains she makes, blankets, and the towels. I just love her designs that she makes. So yeah, I got the Betsy Johnson Nutcracker themed Christmas, and I got that one from. I think I got that one from Dee Dee's. Yeah, that one's from Dee Dee. So it comes with the pink shower curtain, the liner, and the shower hooks. So yeah, this will match perfect for that. So I got that. Now, of course, I had to jump on the buy one, get three for free. So I got these rows of ribbon. Oh, this is an amazing deal. So it's $13.99. I believe it ends on Saturday. So hopefully you get what you needed. So the first one I got is this one here. Hopefully there's no glare. Look at that. So this is a pink Santa with the bow and then the robin on there. Love that one. And then I did get this one, which is more traditional. Love that one. And then I got this one, which is a red and green. I got it for the little pom-pom that it comes with. I got that one there. And then I also got the Santa one. And I got that one too for the stencil and the little pom-poms on there. I'll put a picture so that you can see that above. Do this here. And then of course I have to get some more ribbon. So I did an online order. Sadly, two of my ribbons were already sold out. So when I saw the message, I thought, oh, so that means I'm not getting the 4. But what they end up doing, okay, so when I put in this order, I put in for 2 sets. 2 of the ribbon was sold out, so they did refunded me the $13.99, and then the second one was at 0, but I was still able to keep the 2, which is great. So I paid just the $13.99 for all of this. So yeah, that was a great deal. But yeah, I got this one. I did get the pink and white peppermint looking one, and then I did get the white and red one with the pink. I mean the pink and red. Love it. And then this one's actually the 1.5 by 30 feet. And then this one here is 2.5 by 20 feet. So I got those 2. And then I did get the tinsel one here. And this one is 5/8 and 30 feet. So I got that one. And then I got this one here, which is another blue one with like fringe on the side of it. And that one is 1 1/5. You get 15 feet. So I got that one. They didn't have the shimmering blues, the ones that I was missing. And then I did get the blue peppermint looking one. And then I did get the pink and red one. So I got those. Now these ones were the ones that I got on my online order. Now when I went to go pick up, I went to go check to see, to make sure they didn't have any of those blue ones I was missing. And they didn't, they were already gone. So of course I put in I bought another set of ribbon. So I saw the pink one. Now I wanted the blue that looked like this, but they were sold out at my store. But I got the pink one, and the pink one is 1 1/2 by 30 feet. And look how pretty that is. And then I also got this one here, the silver. And this one is 1 1/2 by 30. I got that one too. And then look at this gorgeous pink one. And the blue one I wanted was like that. So I got that one. And this one is 2 1/2 by 20. And then I also got this in gold. And this one is 1 1/2 by 30 feet. So yeah, this was a great, awesome deal. So I got those. Another thing I hauled were this shimmering glue. So I got the white, blue, and the silver. I love those colors together. So I got that one. They do have the red, green, and gold also. I might get those again after trying this. And then the last thing I got also to go in my bathroom is this sign. And when I saw this, love it. Look at, oh my goodness, I love this collection. I love the Nutcracker collection. Yeah, amazing. Love, love, love. So I got this one for Santa's Rules. Hang stockings, be merry, deck the halls, spread the joy, love one another, say thank you, leave cookies, always believe. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, that is my little haul that I want to share with you. Leave your comments below. Let me know what have you snagged up in a sale. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I sure would love to have you. And hit the notification so you do know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.